Adenuga, one of the campaigners of Igbo must not vote in Lagos, is caught in the web of criticism somewhere in Irish, where Nigerians over there are stopping him from participating in general election in the island. What is that signal coming from Ireland mean to Lagosians here?
One of the anti-Igbo, Igbophobia, maniac, that's my name you've given right now, is one of the people that intensified the effort to make sure that Igbos did not vote in 2015 in Lagos State over the threat by MC Oluomo, Yemi Adenuga, then this man, Oba Kedulu, in 2015, that threatened to throw all the Igbos into Lagoon, Lagos, if they actually fail to vote for APC. Now it's like a spider caught in his web, and it's caught actually in the web on the web of criticism in the faraway Ireland, UK. Ireland is one of the confederates or federatives of United Kingdom.
Where you want to contest election in a normal land.
Okay, thank you. That is why it is good to be good in life. Now people are against him. You don't want Igbos to vote in Lagos, and you want to be voted in the UK. Are you from UK? Are you an Irish woman? See, Yemi Adenuga is her name, right?
Yes, Yemi Adenuga.
Thank you so much. He's not going to do well. He's not going to excel. Her opponent, I hope she's a woman, her opponent is going to bring her down in the UK. Because that was what she planned for Igbos in Lagos, southwestern state of Nigeria. So this time around, he wants to excel in the faraway Britain. Ireland is one of the kingdoms of Britain. Yeah, Ireland is among the British. So this Yoruba woman now wants to excel there. That's why it is bad to be very, very tribalistic. How does she think she's going to win an election there in the UK, in the island, when you know that Igbos are mostly there living in the island there? The Irish citizens, they go and count them. They are Igbos, they are Yorubas, they are Hausas. So this time around, what you have done against your brother is trailing you, and it has trailed you to Ireland, UK. You are not going to do well there. The Igbos are not going to vote for you. The educated Yorubas and the educated Nigerians that are going to go against you there, you are not going to win an election there. That's why it is good to be good. Igbo man this, Igbo man that, Igbo man here, Igbo man there, in Lagos, in the southwest. As Abike Dabiri has, intensified campaigning against the Igbos in diaspora, in America, in Canada, kill Igbo, and he let Igbo, stop Igbo. Today, Yemi Adenuga, it is your turn. You are going to contest for what? In the island. You are going to read me. You are going to listen to me. You are going to view me on YouTube. I'm campaigning against you. You are not going to win. You are not even going to contest because you are not from UK. You are a Yoruba man. A tribal bagos from southwestern Nigeria. You want to go and make name there, so that way back here, Tinubu and his accolades will think, Yoruba woman has won an election in Ireland. Yoruba woman has won an election in Ireland. They will be talking. Igbo man would have voted for you, but you are campaigning against Igbos in Lagos. So, Vivo, Debo, roads that won that gubernatorial election.
Gbadabe.
Yeah, Gbadibe. Debo. See, let me tell you, you are going to fail, Yemi. If you like, collect money from Tinubu, distribute money, share money among the Igbos, among the Yorubas in Ireland, you are not going to win. Why? Because you have sown a seed of discontention, seed of discord, seed of tribal antagonism in the southwest against other tribes in Lagos. So don't expect good things to come out of your election or campaign in Ireland, faraway Ireland, UK. You are not going to win. As it is for the yam here, it is going to be like that for cocoyam in the Great Britain, where you are trying to contest for one position or the other politically. It's not going to go well with you because you are a tribal bigot. You are like Abike Dabiri. Is going to cut with Amaka's lawyer, with BIAFRAN lawyers in Canada. Because Abike Dabiri, he tried to demote the Igbos, paint them black in diaspora, barristers, attorneys of those tribesmen, Igbo tribesmen in diaspora, they are coming out after who? Abike Dabiri, to go and clear the mess she started. Yes, she did it, and is gonna clear it by herself. You demoted a tribe, a nationality that wasn't yours, because Igbos are not Yoruba. They don't want to. You won't allow them oxygen, breathe oxygen in faraway Canada. You won't allow them take free breath in American continent, because you are a Yoruba woman representing Nigerian diaspora. You are trying to represent only Yoruba well, forgetting that there are other ethnicities that are part of the components that make up Nigeria. Today, you are going to court, Abike Dabiri, and Yemi Adenuga. You are not going to win that election. Even you are not supposed to contest, because you are not from the UK. Chebi, you are too good on ethnic bigotry. Yemi Adenuga, you have failed. Your campaign to contest for that position has drifted into failure.
Okay.
It's a failure on arrival.
Thank you. We are seeing the latest development coming from the people who claim they are the indigenous people of Lagos, and saying that non-Yorubas in Lagos should leave because they are not contributing anything.
Let me just help you out. Didn't you know people of Lagos State are the Lagos Islanders? You have the like of Foncho Williams. You have the like of Bode George. You have the like of Ademola Adetokunbo. You have the like of the Williams, the biggest landlord in Oba. You have the like of this man that is in 1 naira. What is that his name? The father of Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe. The Habat Macaulays. You have many of them. The like of these people, they are all over Lagos. They are the owner of Lagos State, the indigenes of Lagos State. They are the people from Akpe, Ekpe, Axis, Lekki, Axis, Lagos Island. See, they have started agitation for the Igbo man to stay in Lagos. That the people that are constituting trouble for Igbo man in Lagos State are Ogun State people, people that are migrated from Osun State, the like of the Facholas, the like of the Tinubus, the like of the Obasanjos, people that migrated from Ogun State, people that come from Osun State, from Oyo State. They are not original Lagos indigenes. They are the one commenting Igbos in Lagos State. Enough is enough. The Lagos State indigenes have said, no more shall Igbos be tormented, troubled, oppressed, exploited in Lagos State. They are not the MC Olomos. MC Olomo is a motor park tout that comes outside Lagos. It's not a native of Lagos State. The origin of Lagos State, they said enough is enough. The people that we know that are the originally Lagosians are Ambodes. Yes, Ambodes is from Ekpe. Ekpe originally is Lagos State. Yes, the like of Foncho Williams. The Williams are original Lagosians. Yes, they are native of where? Lagos Island, Lekki. They are native of Yaba. They have at Macaulays, and so on and so forth. You have many of them in Lagos State right now agitating for the Igbos to stay, to buy land and build their house and invest their businesses. That the people that are tormenting you, the Igbos, are not originally inhabitants, origins.
And they are not contributing
indigenes
anything.
Of Lagosians. And they are not of Lagos, sorry. And they are not contributing anything on economic building of this state. The fact that Lagos State is the biggest West African economy is because of Igbo man, the strangers, the Igbo visitors. They are buying land, paying for properties, growing Lagos economy by exporting goods from China, from Asia, from Europe, building all manner of entrepreneurship establishment in Lagos State, helping Lagos State economy to grow. We are the Igbos. The Lagos original indigenes are saying no to Osun people. Tinubu, the like of Kunle, one of the respondents, in Flip TV. He's a visitor. Kunle is not from Lagos. He doesn't see anything good in Igbo man. Tinubu is from Osun State, if not from Guinea. He doesn't want to see Igbo man. He's a jealous man that is jealous of the Igbos. Bayo Ononuga could never be an original indigene of Lagos State. Ononuga doesn't want to see an Igbo man. Look at what happened to Ngalale. It is Ononuga that pressed and pressed, oppressed and oppressed, exploit and exploit, and oppress and oppress, marginalize and marginalize, marginalizing Ngalale, Ajuri. That's why he resigned today. Why are these tormentors are not the original Lagos indigenes? Oga Awolowo himself, the grandfather, the father of tribalism in Nigeria, is from Ogun State. Awolowo is not a Lagosian. Come and see what he has amassed as wealth. He amassed wealth in Lagos State. Is he a Lagosian? It's a lie. Mobolaji Bakantoni is a Lagosian. Yes, these are the kind of people today that have risen, standing on their feet, saying no to what? Oppression, marginalization, annihilation, abuse against Igbo man. These people are Lagosians. They are the original owner of the state. They have stood up to say no to what happened at Abload, whereby Igbo properties were bulldozed, destroyed. They have stood on their feet to say no to what happened at Ajawa Estate early this year, month of February, when they started bulldozing before even the election, Igbo man's property at the axis of Festac, Abload, and the maternity, Aulodia Papa, where they have destroyed Umudioka markets. Because Umudioka people, there's an axis at Apapa there. They named that place Umudioka. Because Umudioka people are the importers that are bringing containers. Umudioka people are from Anambra State. They form at least 80% of the spare parts merchants at maternity. Today, Tinubu, in conjunction with Sanwo-Olu administration of Lagos State, in Lagos State, destroy all the properties, all the shops, all the markets of these Anambra people from Umudioka. See, today, the Lagosians, the original owners of Lagos, the original people of Lagos, they have stood on their feet to say no to people that are tormenting the Igbos in Lagos. And to we, the Igbos, were surprised. These Lagosians, they have come out with a better surprise to Igbo man. Ogun State, Osun State, Oyo State, Kwara State, they are not the owner of Lagos. They are the original owners of Lagos State. They are the Lagos Islanders. The like of Kutis, the like of Foncho Williams, the like of Jose Morinos. There are many of them that are bearing English names. They are slaves, Yorubas that migrated from Cuba,
Sierra Leone,
Brazil. They migrated from Brazil. They are migrated from Mexico. They are the ones that settled in Lagos, and they are the owners of Lagos State. Not the Tinubus, not the Rauf Aregbosola,
not the Fasholas,
not the Facholas, not the Sanwo-Olus. In fact, the Igbos are having no story to tell this time around.
Okay, lastly, we see that the genesis, the foundation of corruption was led by Obasanjo and Gowon immediately after the Nigerian civil war that has affected Nigeria. People have traced that to the corruption plan that was laid down that is still trending to this moment. In the history of Nigeria, the destruction of Nigeria has always been the Hausa Yoruba. Why is it that at any point in time there's no signal anywhere, there's no life in
the
Nigeria?
destruction of Nigerian economy, the destruction of Nigerian economy, right from 1979, when Obasanjo handed over to Chagari, let's say 79 back to 76, has been Hausa Fulani, Yoruba, Hausa, Yoruba. That's why we trace ITT, International Thief, to Obasanjo and Abiola. You see it, they are Yoruba. Yes, coupled with Hausas. That was when Nigeria started having problems. The first man that siphoned Nigerian currency when it was 72 kobo to $1 in 1976 was Chief Matthew Olusegun Obasanjo. He was the military head of state. He siphoned 2 billion naira then. How many billions of pounds in 1976? The airplane that was carrying the money, the huge amount of currency, was magneted, tracked, forced down, nosedived at Ugandan airport. That was when the Ugandan cannibal, head of state, Idi Amin Alhaji Dada, was the man in charge of Uganda. He migrated Nigerian airplane when they wanted to refuel a Uganda airport. He checked the airplane. It was packed with naira, 2 billion naira there. Obasanjo was the owner of that money. He stole the money, he was flying the money into his foreign account. That was when it wasn't possible to transfer that kind of huge amount of money electronically due to lack of modern technology there. So the plane was magneted down on Uganda airport. And what? Idi Amin Dada, Field Marshal, he seized the money. Obasanjo could not do anything about it. That matter was swept under carpet till tomorrow. Nigerian corruption icons. Chief Matu Olusegun Obasanjo. He started the modern corruption in Nigeria. Obasanjo is it. Gowon was not even corrupt. I can vouch out for him. I can defend Gowon. It wasn't Gowon. It was Obasanjo. Obasanjo and Abiola, his brother, they started the modern day corruption that has what? Ravaged Nigerian economy, the modern Nigerian country. It's from Southwest. Obasanjo stole 2 billion catch. ITT, international thief, international rogue, courtesy, Fela Anikula Pokuti. The money that Idi Amin Dada of Uganda, Field Marshal, seized from Nigerian government under Obasanjo was not returned till date. Idi Amin seized that money. He used the money for after his wedding with one of his wives that he spent, I think, £3 million throwing out wedding for the woman. I mean, Idi Amin. He used Nigerian money to what? Regain, refurbish, replenish Ugandan economy. It was Nigerian money. Because that wedding was in 1972. Yes, he wedded the woman, Idi Amin Dada, before he absconded into Saudi Arabia, when he was chased away by government of Tanzania and Zambia. Yes, Julius Nyerere. Yes. They team up with Zambia, Uganda, military forces, and what's the name of this country? Tanganyika is Tanzania then. Zanzibar was Zambia, yeah. Tanzania and Zambia pursued the then Idi Amin Dada into exile when he was killing all the political opponents, all the elites, political elites in Uganda. 1976, he absconded into Saudi Arabia. He used our money, naira, to replenish what? Because he was spending money. This man threw out a weapon of what, £3 million. How many years ago? Obasanjo's money, stolen money, was seized by same man to replenish the money he lost out of Uganda public fund. I mean, Idi Amin Dada. See, the father of modern corruption in Nigeria is Chief Olusegun Obasanjo. I don't think Gowon has anything to do with that. Gowon was a very good leader.
But Gowon was also mentioned in that publication anyway. But as it stands now, generally, Igbo man have never come clear. Even Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe, even Dr. Nnamdi Azikiwe was not even mentioned.
Anything economic war in Nigeria, Igbo man has never contributed to it.
Fraud.
Fraud that started in 1979, stopped in 1983. Chagare was arrested. L.S. Ekweme was with him. Because of tribalism and ethnic bigotry, Buhari kept L.S. Ekweme incommunicado, one place, in a jail, together with Chukwuemeka Odumegwu Ojukwu in a jail. Ojukwu was what? Let off the hook because of what Felix Boigny of Ivory Coast was doing. Yes, with Organization of African Unit. He did his job well, politically mixing up with other African countries because Ojukwu should be a free man. And they worked hard until Babangida took over in 1985. That was how Emeka Odumegwu was let off the hook. The then tribalized military head of state, Buhari, was serious. Keeping two Igbo men incommunicado. They don't have anything to do with the Nigerian economy, economic war. Unless Ekweme and the Chukwemeka Odumegwu. But still, Buhari, out of ethnic bigotry, kept the two men incommunicado in jail. Today, Alex Ekweme is no more. Ojukwu is no more. Nigerian economy is drifting backward into lagoon because of what? The same selfish set of political elites led by Bola Ahmed Tinubu, a certificateless president that has claimed to have built the modern Lagos. Of course, we've seen the man that has built modern Lagos, he has contributed almost 80% of what has kept Lagos as number one West African #1 economy today. And we are on the compound of the same man, Lateef Jakonde, the modern father of Lagos. It is not Tinubu. It has nothing to do with Tinubu. Lagos state development and growth has nothing to do with Tinubu. Who is Tinubu? Tinubu started just 1999 as a governor of Lagos state for 8 years, hijacked the whole political structures in Lagos state and the southwest, and is now claiming to be the builder, the owner of modern Lagos. Oga is a lie. The man that has built this monotonic institute of journalism, NIJ, is he, Chief Lateef Jakonde, is the builder of Lagos, not Tinubu.
Thank you.